Hare Krishna. I am Radha Mohini Mohandas from the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. We welcome you to Shri Shri Radha Ras Bihari Temple, ISKCON, Juhu. The topic for today's discussion is spirituality and intelligence. आध्यात्मिकता में क्या बुद्धिमत्ता है? 100% yes. There is intelligence in spirituality. We should understand that we are not this body, we are soul. This body is made of 5 gross elements, which is destroyed at the time of death. Inside this, there is a software which is called subtle body, which is made of false ego, intelligence and mind. This is the false ego or the false identification which makes us believe that we are not soul, we are body. And the subordinate of this false ego is intelligence, which act as a decision maker, and it takes decisions and it remains determined on these decisions for what the body or the soul identifies. So we get this misconception or false belief or false identification that I am body, so intelligence start working for this identification, and the mind starts willing, thinking and feeling for these activities. Now, throughout our lifetime in this bodily conception, we are using our intelligence for gathering, accumulating the matter or the things or the substance which are very tangible, which we can accumulate but cannot take along with us at the time of our death. Our real identity is that we are spirit soul, and the spiritual progress, spiritual journey starts with this identification that I am not this body, I am soul. So the intelligence which makes us believe that I am soul, not the body, is the real intelligence. And with this intelligence only we start our spiritual progress. So after understanding and believing that we are soul, we start asking further questions. If we are soul, then from where the soul come? And from Bhagavad Gita we understand that the soul is part and parcel of Supreme Lord. The next thing we understand that why are we suffering? So we are suffering because we are now in not our current position and current location. So we are part and parcel of Supreme Lord, and our place is in the spiritual world. But right now we are in the material world, and in this body we are trapped. So the intelligence, the correct intelligence helps us to give our correct identification, find out where we are, to find what is our relationship with Lord, and we should know how to go back to that spiritual world again by serving the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So all this is possible only when we intelligently utilize our intelligence by being in spirituality. So the answer is yes, spirituality is really very intelligent decision. Hare Krishna.